Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some sweet brioche. Put some bread flour and yeast into a bowl, add in some salt and then add in the sugar. Switch on the mixer fitted with a dough hook and mix this together. Add in the egg and milk mixture while the mixture is on and then mix this together. If there's mixture stuck on the side of the bowl, stop the mixer and use a spatula to ease the mixture into the bowl. Switch the mixer back on. The mixture is coming together and it is quite wet and sticky. Keep the mixer on for about 10 minutes to make it smooth and elastic like this. Start adding the butter a little bit at a time and make sure it's mixed in before you add in the next amount. If any dough and butter get stuck in the side of the bowl, just stop your mixture, use a spatula to ease it back into the bowl and switch it back on. When all the butter is used up, switch off the mixture, remove the dough hook and put cling film on top and leave this to rise until double in size. When the dough is ready, gently pull it from the sides with your hands to form a ball. Now put some flour on your work surface and put the dough on it. If you need more flour, just lift up your dough and add some flour at the bottom. If your dough is still sticky and you need some more flour on your work surface, just lift up your dough and add some flour and put it back on there. Gently stretch the dough with your hands. Use your tin to measure the dough to see that it fits. I'm using this loaf tin, so I need my dough to fit in there, so I just stretch out my dough and then use this tin as a guide. And if it's not quite right, just shape it until it's the right size. And then I'm going to roll out my dough. Just roll it as tightly as you can. And you see where the seam is, this is the part that goes to the bottom of your tin. That goes to the bottom of your tin so that it doesn't unravel while it's baking. Drop your dough, seam side down, into your prepared cake tin. I've put some baking paper at the bottom and then leave this to rise until it reaches the top of your cake tin. A few minutes before it's ready, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. When it's ready, brush some egg wash on top. I used egg wash for this, but I would say probably milk is better because what happens with egg wash, it gets really dark when you finish baking it because it's baking at a high temperature for quite a long time. So egg wash or milk on top. Put this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until nice and golden brown on top. My brioche is very dark because I used egg wash, and if you don't like this color, you can just brush milk on top. Leave this in the tin for about 10 minutes and then remove it from the tin and put it on a cooling rack to cool completely. When it's cooled down, I'm adding some glacé icing on top. You don't have to add it, but if you like to, you can add it. And then I'm going to leave it to set and then cut it and show you what it looks like inside. It's nice, fluffy, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.